HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art! Hi kids! Let's make a snail today. We will start by making the body of the snail with a hard round shell. The mouth, and of course the eyes. Wasn't that easy? Now it's time to fill in colors in our snail. Let's use green for the body. I love the color green. It's so good. Yellow for the shell. Let's use some red for the mouth and pink for the small tongue. Let's use a little of pink, light blue and red for the line. Dark blue, purple, green, pink and red for the line. There you go! Our snail is ready to roam in the rain.